In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Clickfunnels to Segmetrics. By the end, you'll have your Segmetrics tracking pixel installed on a specific Clickfunnels funnel so you can attribute leads and sales accurately. Make sure you have access to both your Segmetrics account and your Clickfunnels account before we start. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Segmetrics. Click the official Segmetrics website in the results. If you're unsure which link is correct, look for the secure site indicator and the official branding so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the Segmetrics site, click Login and sign into your account. You'll need permissions to view settings. If you manage multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the correct one for the business you're tracking. After logging in, look for the gear icon, which takes you to the account settings area. Click that, then select Site Setup. This is where Segmetrics provides your tracking assets and instructions. In the Site Setup section, locate your tracking pixel code. It's typically a small JavaScript snippet. Carefully copy the entire code. A quick tip: use the Copy to Clipboard button if you see one to avoid missing any characters, and don't edit the snippet. Next, open your Clickfunnels dashboard and navigate to the specific funnel you want to track. Installing the pixel at the funnel level ensures all pages in that funnel report data to Segmetrics. If you have similar funnels, double-check the funnel name so you don't paste the code into the wrong one. Open that funnel and click Settings. This is where global configuration for the funnel lives, including tracking and scripts that load across every step in the funnel. Scroll until you see the Head Tracking Code section. Paste your Segmetrics pixel code directly into that box. If you already have other scripts there, keep them in place and paste the Segmetrics snippet on a new line. Avoid pasting it into the body or footer sections, as the pixel is designed to run in the head. Finally, click Save and Update Settings. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved. Give it a moment for the update to propagate. That's the full connection. As a quick sanity check, open your funnel's preview in a fresh browser tab or an incognito window and make sure pages load normally. Within Segmetrics, data appears as visitors interact, so your first visits may take a short time to show. If something looks off, revisit the Head Tracking Code box to confirm the entire snippet is present, then save again. You're now set to attribute traffic and revenue with Segmetrics inside your Clickfunnels funnel.